Hi everyone, back with me again on this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can remove the CapCut ending on your videos permanently. So if you start a new project on CapCut, okay, let's say I want to add this photo. By default, there will be an ending video from CapCut like this. You can always delete it manually like this, but if you get tired of deleting it manually the when you start a new project, you can just delete it permanently. So to do that, before you create your project, you can just go to the settings at the top right corner, and here are the options to add the default ending. So you need to turn this feature off until it turns to gray like this. So you can just keep on, click on discard, and then when you start a new project like this, there will be no ending video from CapCut. Okay, so that's a simple tutorial for me, but I hope this will be helpful. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done that. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Thank you.